So let's look at this cordless drill. This takes the battery in charge, not included, and that's up for $14.99. Fast free changeover between drill and screw. Yeah, it just feels lightweight. Case feels cheap. So you can have a drill and you can have a drive at the same time, which is quite clever, but LED light's handy. But yeah, for the amateurs, guys. What's the power on it anyway? 12 volt. The thing is, you want 18 volt, you know, otherwise it won't go through anything apart from murder wood. Screw drill, yeah, there's no power in that. That won't go through butter, that. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Catch you later.